In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Gmail Calendar in Outlook. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the upper right corner and click the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid. From the app panel, locate Calendar and click on it to open Google Calendar. Inside Google Calendar, go to the left sidebar where your calendars are listed. Hover over the specific calendar you want to import into Outlook. When you hover over it, click the three vertical dots icon next to the calendar name. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. You'll be taken to the Calendar Settings page. In the left sidebar, click on Integrate Calendar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Secret Address in iCal format. This is the link Outlook will use to subscribe to your Google Calendar. Click the Copy to Clipboard icon to copy that URL. Now open a new browser tab and go to Outlook.com. Log into your Outlook account. Once you're inside, click the calendar icon in the left-hand navigation bar to switch to the calendar view. On the left sidebar, under the monthly calendar view, click the Add Calendar button. A pop-up window will appear. From the left-hand menu of that window, select Subscribe from Web. In the URL text box, paste the iCal link you copied from Google Calendar, then enter a name for the calendar so you can easily recognize it. You can also choose a color and icon to visually distinguish it from your other calendars. After that, select the folder location where the calendar should appear, such as Other Calendars, and once everything is set, click the Import button at the bottom of the window. Outlook will now subscribe to your Google Calendar, and the events will start appearing in your calendar view. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.